near future, because the perceived value in the net denim is much more higher. Sometimes in the core domestic market, what we deal is in a core domestic market, and there the fashion driven with the looks, more on the looks. No doubt the science behind the fabric is more important, but the customer there looks and then buys. So the perceived value in the nets is high. No doubt, definitely markets are looking for some new energetic, new variations which should be coming up. The industry has been in lot of pressure for last year for various reasons we all know. Problem was like when a fashion grows in garment, it is from the side of fabric, sometimes in the placement of accessory, sometimes placement of the thread works done, and sometimes in the washing also. So the area of risk taking somehow was very less due to the ongoing circumstances in the core domestic markets. Some national factors and Delhi have their own regional factors also in the past few years. So that one thin line, one straight line, everybody going on that line to be safe, to be prescribed, which is not giving another dent. So that's why the industry is somehow eagerly waiting for something new to come up. And the second thing is on the price sensitivity to remain as such. For that, we need to understand the power of the buyer. Somehow, for past 5, 10, 20 years, if we see in our wholesale markets in Delhi, the garment selling rate was 300, and that is its own journey to above 900. That's the wholesale price. At that price level, and then when it is sold to the consumer, it almost touches the value of big brands selling it online or in sales period. So 20% more if a consumer pays, he can get an international brand also. So in our core domestic, that Time Road or Gandhinagar style of market, that journey will not go further. So we have to understand that. Is there any scope of going further in price? Like when there have been from non-lycra to lycra to knits, is there any more further chance? I think this is a reverse, and the buyer, the kind of buyer which is coming up, it's not a very small buyer. The mart people are coming, the big wholesalers are coming, is giving their own targets to meet, their own price targets to meet. So everywhere it's a line. So if something new comes up, Whale is working on it. Definitely something will come up. But that also, if it is a premium can be paid, no doubt. Something new market is waiting, and a premium, a reasonable premium can be paid. But if mills come up with a very huge difference with a new product, then also it's something like a concept which is well appreciated, but it is not viable for the market because that line is not drawn.
Can I safely assume that for the mid and the mass market, aesthetics at a given price point are primary and not as much focus on functionality and performance?
It will be a mix of both, like it will mix of both, but again saying that any thing new is well accepted with their price brand. If something is done at you can see above anything above 300 a mark or 275 mark, it is just appreciated, and you can understand whatever new will come. There is very much big capacity of industry which is not working, like mill are under capacity, you all are working below the capacities. They are also eagerly waiting something new to come up. So the shelf life of the new thing will be very short period. So we should not give that much gap to other players to enter and just follow what we are giving as a concept. To stay in that concept for a longer period, we need to be price sensitive, and definitely anything new comes up in the price band, I can assure you on behalf of my customers, they will well appreciate it.
Thank you Neeraj. So basically what I'm gathering for this entire conversation is that whatever new comes up in the future, it has to A, deliver disproportionately better value to the consumer. He has to feel more engaged with that product. And obviously there has to be some kind of an aspirational value associated with it. That's the only way we can kind of seed new ideas, right? At this note, I think probably I'll open the house for a question, and we will have time for maximum 2 questions. So please, sir.